Hey girlies, welcome back. Today I'm taking this pair of sneakers. These were a favorite in the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, and when this video goes up, you still have 5 more days to shop the sale, so you can still get these sneakers. But I got a lot of requests, mainly over on Instagram, to style these. A lot of girls were like, oh my gosh, I love them, but I don't know how to style them. I decided that I was going to challenge myself to style them 10 different ways. Which, as soon as I thought it, I thought, that's a lot, but we're gonna go for it. First of all, I'll link them down below. I did have to size down to full size in these. That was for me. I'm usually an 8.5. I got them in a 7.5, and they fit perfectly. They also come in a blue color, if this isn't your vibe, but this whole video is styling this color combo. And when I put together an outfit, I don't like to wear more than 3 colors. I've talked about that before in other videos, so this does make it a little difficult because we've already got pink and green here. Obviously, we're gonna do a lot of monochromatic looks for our 3rd color, right? White, black, I'm thinking maybe brown. I kind of have to see what I have in my closet, but I never count denim as a color. So that's just me, that's just my rule. I feel like when you have more than 3 colors, it gets really busy. Like I said, we're gonna do 10 outfits. Every outfit, I will put the number somewhere on the screen, and then I will link it down below for you to make it easy for you to shop. So if you just wanna shop outfit 4, that's what you can do. If you just wanna shop the sneakers, I'll have them linked separately as well. It was super easy because I actually just left on the outfit I was already wearing this morning. Ran some errands, got breakfast this morning, and this is what I wore. It worked. Black and denim, right? So again, with the 3 color rule, I'm just adding black and denim doesn't count. And it works. I opted to do a no-show sock. I actually have a black no-show sock. You can kind of like almost see it. A crew sock, I know that's more the style. I put one of both on, but I liked this better. But I know like the crew sock is the style. I do have some crew socks from Amazon that I do wear. I don't know. I was liking it better today with the no-show sock, but that's just me. This little black tank is from Abercrombie, but again, I'll have everything linked down below for you, and they'll be sizing over on my LTK, so I don't have to say it with every outfit. I wanted to keep the outfit casual, so I just did my Lulu bag, which is literally, like I said, what I wore this morning. I just had on a pair of black sandals, and I just switched it to the sneakers. I made royal sunnies. I wear these every day, all day, though, at least right now. I never like switch my sunglasses out. And if you guys are new to my videos, I usually don't switch out my jewelry. I just have on whatever I'm wearing. Just not one of those girls that's gonna switch her jewelry for every outfit I style for you. I'm sorry, it's just not my thing unless I'm filming a specific jewelry video. Next outfit, I wanted to style these pink shorts that I have because I just felt like obviously pull the color pink from the sneakers, and these shorts are actually the color pink that's in like the back of the sneaker, because the sneaker kind of has 2 shades of pink. And then I just went with this neutral top. It's just little button down. I know this is really trendy, but you could do any neutral top. A little bit more on the chic side. Still did my no-show socks. I know it's not the real trend, but I kind of don't care. I was a little iffy on this one. I wasn't exactly sure if I loved how it came together, but my husband said he liked it. So in all honesty, styling these sneakers isn't the easiest. I mean, it's easy to just throw on denim and a top, but if we're wanting some different looks, but I definitely think like a pink bottom and a neutral top works. Also, if you have some of the pink shorts, you know, those like straight, you guys know the shorts I'm talking about. I have a pair that's blue and white, but like the more like nautical, like elastic tie, little like casual shorts, those would be really cute too, with like an oversized like white t-shirt. I just don't have those shorts in a pink color. Next outfit, I happened to have this green sweatshirt. I picked this up from Athleta a while back. It's not the exact green in the sneakers, but honestly, it works. If you've got a green sweatshirt that's close, you could try pink too, but I feel like it's gonna be easy to just like pull that green out. And then you need a pair of wide leg jeans. They don't necessarily have to be light wash, but they need to be like a wide leg baggy pair of jeans, I feel like, for this look. The first pair of jeans I put on were cut too short. They weren't long enough. You want to make sure that you've got a pair of jeans that like covers the sneaker. My pair before was kind of up a little bit, and then you like saw my ankle sock, if you know what I mean. So these wide leg jeans from Abercrombie are perfect. More of like a nighttime outfit or like transitioning into fall more, but who doesn't love a cozy sweatshirt and jeans look? For the next look, I just put on this little white eyelet tank. I just feel like put on a white top that isn't just like a basic tank, like a little bit more of an elevated white top. I kept on this same jean just because these jeans do look so good with the sneakers. But if you're not loving the wide leg jean, you could do more of like a straight jean. Just make sure, again, that they're long enough that they're covering the shoe and they're not hovering above the shoe. I got this. It's funny because I feel like this maybe shrunk in the wash. I sized down to an extra small because it was like so big in the small, and I haven't worn it since I washed it. I didn't put it in the dryer though. That's the thing, but it definitely does feel like it shrunk a little bit. But it's still okay. I think it's just a little bit shorter and not as wide as it was before. But I love this top. It's just a little bit more fun. This is just pair it with a cream lounge set, sports set, athleisure set, whatever you want to call it. I have these two pieces from Aloe, so they're just a nice little drawstring short. And then this full zip up has a little bit of a print to it. I know it looks a little bit different on camera, but they are the same color, whatever the ivory color was a while back. I feel like these are pieces that are always available though, which is good, but perfect little neutral look. As I'm filming these outfits, I realized that I need to get like some better slouchy socks, and I need to get those cute little ruffle socks. So I think I'm gonna go on Amazon when I'm done filming. But another option is a gray sweatshirt. So again, like a neutral color and denim. So I did a darker wash of denim shorts for this outfit, but guys, realize any outfit I'm sharing that is denim on the bottom, it could be denim shorts, denim skirt, or jeans. It's just the idea that it's denim, but depending on the weather, whatever you want to do. So I switched out for some shorts this time just because I already did a couple jeans. I did some dark wash, but again, you could do any wash. I mean, I feel like it's going to look with the gray. Maybe like medium wash would be best. Again, and kept the white socks like so, but yeah, definitely need to get some cuter socks. Sometimes I feel like we forget to use like gray as a neutral. Maybe not, I don't know. I feel like I do. I go through like love-hate with gray sometimes. And I just was like, yeah, this is another option. And also if you don't have a green sweatshirt like I do, you could do the gray instead. Look, I feel like it's really easy to just do monochromatic black. Can't go wrong with all black. And then your sneakers, I did bodysuit, belt, jeans. These ones are a little bit on the short side, but I don't hate it as long as I have that sock on. Again, it's just a preference. Do whatever you want. Gucci bag, and then I would do a black cardigan if I needed a layer, so I would just keep it completely monochromatic, and then the sneakers. Love the sneakers with these cream jeans. These are the same style of jeans. So it's like wash ones I have on from Abercrombie. They're just cream and they have this vertical detail. I absolutely think the sneakers look so good with these cream jeans. I was playing around with a couple different like tops. I wanted to keep it monochromatic. This is still like in the same family, so I just did this little sweater tank. I feel like if you had like a cream oversized t-shirt you could tuck in. I tried to do like a full cardigan. I just didn't like the look, but I love the sneakers with these jeans, like 100%. I might just have to perfect the top a little bit, but this definitely works. I'm showing a lot of sweatshirts, but I feel like these sneakers, like they just generally have a sporty look, and I think sweatshirt. I have 3 different pink sweatshirts. I didn't even realize, all from Abercrombie. This one actually seems like it matches the like suede part of the sneakers again, like really good. So I just threw it on with these white denim shorts. I feel like if I was doing a pink sweatshirt, I would do white, although honestly blue denim would be fine too, but I love the look of the white and pink, and then the sneakers. I love these white shorts I got from Abercrombie. I think they're like the mid-rise A-line. Obviously I'll have them linked, but they're really like nice pair. For the last look, I did white monochromatic, just comfy little look like this. Any type of like, I guess you do linen pants or just this type of like whatever these pants are. They're from Abercrombie. They are a barrel, but they're not like overly barrel. I like them. They're just perfect little summer pant. And then this little Aritzia tank that I have in so many colors. Just this like so perfect. Sneakers, and then you could add a sweatshirt. Again, if you want to do the over the shoulder with the green or the pink little sweatshirt, that would be cute too. Alright girlies, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your favorite look down below. Let me know if you've bought the sneakers now or if you're gonna buy them now that you have some styling ideas. And if there's anything else you want me to style, footwear, otherwise, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.